This is Dawn. Today's meditation is about finding that inner stillness within. So let's begin. Please close your eyes and find a comfortable place to sit. If it's possible, uncross your legs and your ankles so that your feet can rest comfortably on the floor. This little act of uncrossing our legs and ankles and placing our feet on the floor is one known to promote grounding and a sense of ease and comfort in the body. The energy is flowing through you, and so we're allowing there to be spaciousness in our hips as we connect deeply to the earth. So draw a full breath in through your nose, feeling the breath expand and widen through your lungs and your abdomen, and then letting that breath go. And feeling the next breath. So you're just giving your body and mind an opportunity to come together in breathing, in attention to breathing, to the sensation of this magical, life-giving breath. If your mind begins to produce any extraneous thought, just recognize this is your mind's way of releasing stress, and you have a choice to follow the thought down the stream of consciousness, or to simply notice it, recognize it's how the mind is trying to release the stress, and then bring yourself right back here, right back to this very moment. And if you're feeling burdened, like you're holding a lot of the weight of the world on your shoulders or on your heart, just giving yourself this chance to exhale deeply, trusting yourself, trusting the process, releasing any judgment of you as best you can, so that you can come into a place of stillness, of a sweet surrender to this moment, in openness to your internal space, the vertical channel, and your presence. And allow yourself this opportunity to just take a deep breath in, befriending that inner space and noticing where in your body do you feel most spaciousness. Maybe it's in your heart, maybe in your throat or abdomen or the crown of your head. Just notice where you feel you can really take up space and breathe without tension. And bring your mind's eye there, really filling it up with light, with connection to love. And a chance to really be present here with that still point, with that peace of mind. Again, noticing any thoughts, no biggie, just bring them right back to this breath, to the room you're in, to the sensation of your body here, as it is. No space to judge ourselves, just more and more chances to be kind to ourselves to treat ourselves with a tenderness, a wellspring of a deeper compassion, taking the pressure off of yourself to be a certain way, to have it all figured out. Instead, explore what it feels like to just for these moments that we're sharing together, sit in this vastness, in this still point. Place where you can rest easy. The mind will look for something to land on, so we bring it back to the breath and to the sensation of that breath. Very comforting, beautiful energy when we sit in the still place in between the inhale and the exhale. That space in between the exhale and the inhale. Creating more internal openness with each breath, as if you're taking up more beautiful space with each breath, and each space and each breath infused with that loving kindness, that tenderness. And before you open your eyes, just make a mental note of how you feel and how it might feel different than when we began our meditation, but nothing externally has changed. Everything out there is the same, but what we're shifting is the way we connect to ourselves, to give ourselves more space, more understanding, more room to live our lives. So I thank you so much for being here, and today's meditation is over, but please bring the elements of it into your day as best you can. Thank you.